I found out my girlfriend was cheating because her phone connected to my car. Last night I picked her up from work. The moment she sat in my car, her phone automatically connected to Bluetooth. Suddenly a message popped up on the screen. It said, "Last night was amazing. I thought it was meant for me." So I asked her, "Who sent that?" She quickly grabbed her phone and said it was just a friend. But a few seconds later, another message appeared. "Can't wait to see you again tonight." She turned pale. Then my car read the message out loud. Right there, out loud. I didn't say anything the whole ride home. When we arrived, she asked why I was so quiet. So I told her the truth. Because my car just exposed your secret. And that's how I found out my girlfriend was cheating, because her phone connected to my car.